What is up, Z-Force? What's good? It's razzaq here, and I am back with yet another dreadlock video. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm finna be showing you guys how to retwist and two-strand twist your dreads by yourself. You don't gotta pay $100+ no more. You don't gotta go to a loctician. I'm finna show you how to do it by yourself, quick and easily. After the intro, let's go.
Yeah, these bitches flex, and I heard these niggas flex, and I keep it wet. Dirty pistol.
Alright, y'all, we can go ahead and get straight into this video, and I'm gonna start off by telling you first the bare minimum amount of products you need and my recommendation for all the things you need. The bare minimum that you need to retwist and style your hair is a comb and water. Preferably like a rat tail comb or something, like, you know, one of those metal ones that got like, yeah, one of those is better, but at least a comb and a spray bottle of water. That's the least you need. If you don't got locking gel, which I recommend, or some clips, then you don't need it, but it'll probably make it come out better if I'm being 100% honest. But I know how sometimes you don't got it. Sometimes you just don't got it. But yeah, like I said just a second ago, I recommend personally that you get also some clips and some locking gel. In this video, I'm gonna be going with the Talia YG Lock It Up locking gel. I'm gonna put a little video on the screen so I can see all the details. But yeah, I recommend locking gel, clips, water, and a comb just to get you the best results that you could possibly get. But you know, to each his own. If you were wondering, we're gonna be using these duck clip. I think they're called ducktail or duck clip. Yeah, something like that. These type of clips, these are the good clips, bro. The small ones work too, but these long ones just help like hold it so much better. And it's just better. Get these ones. All right, y'all. So the first step in this whole entire process is making sure you wet your hair. Before you do any type of retwist, before you do any type of style on your hair, I highly recommend that you wet it with some water. Just because if not, your hair might be brittle and stiff. You don't want to just break your hair just because it's dry, and then, you know, it'll lead to damage in the long run. I'm only going to be doing these first two up at the front just because I literally just got a retwist not too long ago, like a few weeks, and I'm not trying to do it again. But I'm doing it for the purpose of showing y'all how to do it. So as y'all see, I just sprayed up the roots. Typically, if I was going to actually retwist my whole head, I would just get in the shower and wash my head so the whole thing will already be wet. But for this type of purpose, I'm just gonna spray it and spray at the roots. Yeah, that's definitely gonna be the first step you wanna do after you get the base of your locks wet. You're gonna get ahead and get you a modest amount of locking gel. Not too much, bro. This is not a lot of locking gel. I don't even know. This is not a whole lot, y'all. Not a whole lot. You don't gotta do the most. You don't gotta dump the whole carton on your head. But yeah, get a little bit. Apply that at the base of the lock that you just wet up. And then what you're gonna wanna do is use your comb and put that along where you want the part to be at. So for me, I got a middle part. Some of y'all don't got a middle part. It don't matter. All you wanna do is comb away the dreads. I got a dread here. I'm not trying to get retwisted. I'm just gonna comb this one away from the one that I do want retwisted. Comb it away from the other one I don't want retwisted. After doing this a few times to make sure all the hair from this dread is not in with this one, I'm gonna just use my hands like this to pull the dreads apart. And then I'm gonna take the comb and go down the line and try and pull it aside just so I can get the sharpest and cleanest line. This is how you get the sharpest line, by the way. The crispiest lines come when you part your hair well, and then you use your comb and rake it down. I'm gonna try and show, hopefully y'all can see this on the cam. Go straight down like that. And then once again, I'm gonna just comb it to the side. As y'all can see, the line is very straight and very crisp. And this is right where your clip come in. Now that you got this one lock that's not in the one you wanna twist away, you wanna get this clip and put it right there so that none of these hairs get right back into that lock. That's the first part you're gonna wanna do. The next part is gonna be right at the top. So you're gonna do the exact same thing, but with this dread, with these dreads up here, trying to keep them away from the ones that you want in the two-strand twist, right? Part it, use the comb, rake it across, comb it one more time, and that looks pretty straight to me. Like I don't ever like, unless I'm trying to go somewhere that's like important, I'm never really trying to get like the straightest parts in the world, but like, it's up to you, bro. If you got extra time, make them straighter. If you don't, it don't matter, bro. That just gotta be separated, all right? finally, or not finally, this is the second to last part. It's gonna be the ones on the left side. Doing the same thing, combing it away, combing it away, combing it away, combing it away, combing it away. Now that I got it combed away mostly, take my comb and I'm gonna pull it like these and separate the hairs. Now that the hairs are separated, for the third time, get you a clip and go like that. As y'all can see, the clips are forming some sort of square, and that's just all the locks or all the hair that's gonna be in these locks, right? So I got a nice little rectangle now, and this is the last part you're gonna do. This is the final part, guys. Pull these ones apart. And I think you could basically guess what I'm finna do at this point, but if you're not catching on, then you know, comb it apart, 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 comb it apart. Use your comb, pull down on that line. Now you got you a straight part. And finally, you're gonna once again wanna clip down this lock just so you can get it away, but we're gonna take out this clip really soon. Now that you got your lock fully parted and fully out of the way, and it's got its own whole section, all you wanna do is get this comb at the bottom and try and like comb up a little bit. Just a little bit. You don't gotta go all the way into your lock. If you got brand new starter locks, you don't even gotta comb it. But you wanna get as much of the hair at the base as possible. Get your hands like this, and I like to palm roll it. This is literally how I've been retwisting my hair for 4 years. I just palm roll it, and then I put my clip in. And that's the whole thing. That's literally how you do it, right? That's it. Now, like I said, you're gonna take out this clip on this one and do the exact same thing to this lock right here. I didn't comb it just to show you don't have to, but I feel like when you comb in the base to make it a little bit cleaner. Now, you got two dreads that are retwisted. If you are just in the lead for like a retwist, you don't want to style it, this is where you stop. You just keep the clips on there and do your whole head. But because this is a two-strand twist tutorial, the next natural step is to take these and put them one under the other. This is how you two-strand twist. You take 2 strands and you twist them. And you twist them. You want to make sure you're maintaining pressure at the root so that it's still tight, as you can see, but not like, you know, you don't gotta hurt yourself. Just take it easy. But make sure it's a little bit tight on your root. And now you just wanna keep on doing that all the way to the bottom. I'm doing it slow for y'all. I'm about to speed it up because I'm really a pro. But once you get a little more experience, it'll be like, you know what I'm saying? You'll be moving along it. And this actually reminds me, I actually left out one recommended, one recommended product. I also recommend getting some small black rubber bands. It just depends on your hair. Me personally, my hair is long enough now to the point I don't actually need a rubber band to keep it in, like it'll stay in by itself. But some people's hair not like that. And if your hair is not, then all you gotta do is get you a black rubber band, man. They got like a pack of 1,000 of these for like a few dollars on Amazon, at Walmart. Get you the little rubber band, put it on there. I like to do it like maybe 3 times. I'll do it on there 3 times. I'm not trying to choke my dreadlock, and that's it, y'all. That's it. That's the whole process. That is exactly how you two-strand twist and retwist your dreads by yourself. And now, as you guys can see, I can now take out the clips and my shit stand by itself. Now, all you're gonna wanna do is do that for the rest of your whole head. But once you do the first one, I feel like that's the easiest one, because now, you remember I had to part this side, this side, this side, and the middle. Now that I got one done, I don't gotta do this side because it's already parted. So now I only gotta do this side and this side in the middle, and just keep going all the way around your head. If you guys want another video on how to do the back of your head, how I retwist the back of my head by myself, let me know down in the comments. But that is all I got to tell you guys for this video. It's very simple, very easy. If you guys need, make sure you go back and watch the video for all the details. If you got any more questions, let me know down in the comment section below. But Z4s, that's all I got for y'all today. This has been how you retwist and damn, my nose didn't dripping and shit. What the hell? This is how you retwist and two-strand twist your dreads by yourself. That's all I got for you guys. Z4s, I'm out of here.
You did it. You finally made you a motherfucking million. We used to change color of soda, nigga, like a chameleon. Used to be so many cars, nigga, what whip we in.